Phrase of the day, to weather the storm.
If we want to weather the storm.
To weather this storm out the best we can.
To weather any storm that might come up.
It means getting through difficulties, staying strong, and handling challenges even when things get intense.
Real life is about weathering the storm together.
Your father and I have weathered storm after storm.
Picture a ship sailing through wild waves. That's exactly the image this phrase evokes. Alright, here are some example sentences using this idiom. 1. Even though the company faced losses, they managed to weather the storm. 2. We had tough weeks, but our friendship helped us weather the storm. Tomorrow's phrase is all about words that really hit you emotionally. You'll see why it's so powerful. Don't miss it.